Question 5. Jimmy has a piece of string that is 6 3/4 inches long, and Sam has a piece of string that is 7.5 inches long. How much longer is Sam's string than Jimmy's string? Right, your answer is a fraction. Alright, so if I'm looking at this, I could turn them into decimals and then eventually go back and rewrite them as a fraction, but if you don't know how to do that, which it could make life more difficult, then I'm going to show you how to do it as just if we're dealing with fractions. So it's saying how much longer is Sam's string than Jimmy's string. So that tells me that we're trying to find the difference between the two, which means that we're going to subtract Sam's string and Jimmy's string. So I'm going to take 7 1/2 minus 6 3/4. Well, I can't subtract them yet because I don't have a common denominator. So I'm going to find the common denominator to be 4, because 2 times something can give me 4. So that means I need to multiply this fraction by 2. So I'm going to get 7 2/4 minus 6 3/4. Okay, so I cannot subtract because 2 minus 3 as a fraction doesn't really work. So what I need to do instead is I need to borrow, okay? Or you could turn this into improper fractions, but I'm going to borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the 7. The 7's going to become a 6. And anytime I borrow, I take my denominator and add it to the numerator. So I'm going to do 2 plus 4. So my new numerator, top number, is going to be 6. All right? And I'm subtracting, even though it does not look like a subtraction sign. All right, so now I'm going to subtract 6 minus 6, that gives me 0, so I'm going to have 0 whole number. And 6 minus 3 is 3 over 4. So 3/4 inches is my answer.